What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I want to go over the heikin-ashi candles long term. Every candle is going to be 1 week. So this video will be relevant for a very long time because we're actually looking at 5 years out and even more. So let's go ahead and jump right into this vital information that may show where the bottom might or might not be. So what I'm looking at is support and resistance lines on my logarithmic curve chart. This is labeled as 1, 2, and 3. So 1 correlates with the support that we nailed multiple times after the 2017 bull run. When we were coming down in the bear market, we fell multiple times on this support line here. And this is the 0.5 Fibonacci. We bounced underneath it to the 0.382 Fibonacci on my chart, which is this green line. After we did that, we rolled under here and we stayed for a very long time here at the 0.2361 Fibonacci right here. Okay. In my opinion, when I look at the chart for the 2022, I have the numbers labeled here. I'm just going to show you what's been on my mind. This is labeled 1 right here. We have 2 and we have 3. Okay, this vertical line here is the 2024 halving. So everything's going to be laid out how I believe this is going to play out. Ooh, that rhymed. So what I'm looking at is right now we passed the 0.382, or we're on the 0.382 Fibonacci. Okay, we haven't quite dropped underneath it. Hopefully, if we can hold this line, as you can see, my line curves up. So if we can hold this line, there may come a time where we hit around here and we could bounce above it and stay above it. That's the best case scenario, okay? So the scenario that played out in the last bear market was a 40% drop pretty much from where we're at right now. So what I'll do is I'm going to call a 40% drop here. But if this is going to fall to the 0.236 Fibonacci, which I believe it will, we're actually only looking at around 34%. And if you see me, I can pull my chart slightly up and to the right. As it goes up, the percentage, let me do that one more time because I think nobody can see. So as we pull this up and to the right, the percentage slowly starts to go up. The longer we take to get to this line here, the better. Because in my opinion, if BTC does what it did in the previous bear market, then we might do something like this. We come down. Now, from this point, when it dropped in the last bear market from the 0.2361 Fibonacci, it did a 230% return. Okay. Let me mark that down correctly here. Let me get this right number here. Oh, so it went slightly under, okay? So I'll go from the 2-3, okay? So just in case you got that. Right now we're looking at 174% return, okay? Now these are rough numbers. The heikin-ashi candles are very rough numbers, just like candles are, regular candles. And we're looking for very long distance, okay? But it will be around those numbers. So if we drop to the 0.2361 Fibonacci, we're looking at a $30,000 BTC. Easy, I can see that happening. So in my opinion, right now, so we're going to pull this up. We can bring this up. The higher we go, the longer it takes. You know, now we're looking at 33,000 BTC, okay? So what I'm trying to say is, it doesn't matter if we're here right now. If we drop that little bit, go ahead and just double up your initial investment. So if you're investing $10 a week here and we fall, do $20 a week. And now that's going to zero you out at your dollar cost average. I hope that we don't go under this $10,000. There's always a chance to, but this gives me good hope for the future. And it makes me feel like we are on the right pace, whether you hear what people are saying or not. We're on the right place. So just hold on there. And if you're feeling sad about your account, about your crypto account, Just make a Google Sheets, make a Google spreadsheet, start a new crypto account, put your crypto away in your wallet, let it sit there, just don't look at it. Start a new crypto account starting from zero from today, okay, or from 2023. And what that's going to do is going to show you that all you're doing is dropping down and dollar cost averaging back up. It's okay that you're down right now because BTC is a long-term investment. Just like these people were down when they bought here and it fell down here. Just like these people were down when it fell down here. We're the people who are up here who bought here and it fell down here. You just haven't been in long enough for it to pay off. Just relax, make another account. And all you gotta do is go to Google Sheet, then put whatever BTC you buy in there and track that and see where you're at, see what the moves that you're making, and you know, make sure you hit that like and subscribe because I'm going to be going over these BTC charts for long term and I'm going to see where they go. So I hope you like this video. I'll see you guys in the future.